You know, man, we do a lot of garage door work in and around Chattanooga. We do 2,000 installs a year. We do 3,000 repairs a year. Most days our 15 team members are transforming Chattanooga's homes. But because of the quality that they seen on someone's home, we got invited to do those special doors at Chattanooga's National Historic Landmark, the Chattanooga Choo Choo. Now that's a feather in our hat for the last 14 years of hard work. Access comes from humble beginnings, and I personally pledge that we will always be grateful and attentive to our customers, which includes Chattanooga homeowners and developers. Hey man, we're just a little old garage door company. We got a whole lot of heart in what we do.
Come on, Daddy, let's go home.
All right, baby, let's go.